Welcome to my first transition video from model building to micro scale model building. Now you know about Vintage Construx if you watched my toy channel, and of course you recognize model number 3, my 2500 scale Enterprise D that I first built in 94 or 95. It was part of the 3-ship AMT set. And because I didn't have a stand for the ship yet, I had to keep it upright with a cradle, which I built with my Vintage Construx. And you can see the angle from all different directions. So it's basically just 2 rectangle outlines separated by the tiny pieces, and that's built around the ship, not trying to fit the ship into it, of course. And that is how I managed to keep the ship level while I did the decal application, until I found a stand for it. You can see even in 1988, even though this model was taken in 2018, it's the 88 version, even in 88 those nacelles bowed inward, just like the 2019 Enterprise D, but the 2017 7-ship set didn't do that at all. So that is the last picture for now, of a model Starship. Then you realized you could build model car ships. So there's my 74 Herbie Mark I DeLorean on a Construx model car shelf. And you see those bumpers at the left and right? That is so that it wouldn't roll. And then, of course, you had to make side ones too. You can see it there, and of course you see the display case beside it with the Herbie. So basically I started putting both DeLoreans on the model car shelf, both the Mark I and, at the time, I believe, the Mark II. And that was taken in Quebec, so this was about 2020, probably right around the time COVID started. And you can see here the 2 model cars on the Vintage Construx shelf. And there's a better close-up view of the Mark II. Don't worry, eventually I did fix it so that it was level and it wasn't leaning down on the right side. And there's the Mark I again. Now, you see the blue panels? This is all built from my Vintage Construx set. And I suppose I could have eliminated that middle layer. There's the Mark III, there's other places in the display case. So it's all working out just fine. And here's the model Starships on their stand with the Construx pieces behind them. And there it is from another angle. And now you're back to the thumbnail picture. So I hope you enjoyed this video, the first of 2 transitions, and talk to you later.